Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pearls. In case this is your first time stopping by this channel, and if it's not your first time, hey girl, hey. um and in today's video I am going to be doing a review of this beautiful hair right here, and this is the outre. Some people call it outre, some people call it outre, but I'm going to go with outre. This is the Outre Kimani hair, and this hair is stunning. This hair gave me hope in the synthetic units. I purchased this Outre Kimani wig on ebonyline.com and it was $36.98, about $36.98. With shipping and handling it came down to $40.97, and to me this was like one of the cheapest. This was one of the cheapest websites to buy it from. And I got the color 3D RFF SSTBL, which is the sandstone blonde color. You guys, this color is so beautiful. Like, one thing about this unit though is that it does shed. Obviously it's a synthetic unit. It tangles. It's very gorgeous on dark skin, as you guys can see. I'm really excited. It's like a fall color. I mean, it is silky to an extent, but it also has like this coarse feeling to it. I have been getting tons of compliments on this hair. This hair is just beautiful, and for what? I wasn't expecting much because I have been disappointed by synthetic units in the past. I remember this synthetic unit that I bought from Amazon, and I went somewhere and the hair was just tangling. You know, it was supposed to be bone straight to blonde, and before I go back to my house I was just like, yeah, I'm never wearing synthetic units again. But this hair, guys, it's a long unit, as you guys can see. This should be around like 24 inches on me, and I'm 5'5" for reference. 5'5", 5'5" and a half. But it's heat safe. I think it can go up to like 350. The heat can go up to 350 with this unit. In the front it has 2 combs. At the back it has 1 comb, so 3 combs in general. The lace of this product is really soft, and it's easy to kind of like melt. I didn't do anything to this unit, to be honest with you. I didn't pluck it, one, because I didn't have any tweezers with me, so I didn't pluck the sides, and I didn't create any baby hair. But I just wanted to use that to explain to you guys that this is very easy for you to like customize this unit to your taste, and also to like a wig that you can just pull up, like put on angle. It's a wig that you can just put on angle. This unit is everything. Does it tangle? Yes, it does tangle. Yeah, so another reason why I mentioned that this wig is easy to put on angle is because I hate having to like do the most to try like for my wigs. I'm actually pretty like lazy when it comes to wigs, so I don't like wigs with too much wahala, with too much stress. So yeah, if you're someone who doesn't like to do too much to their wigs, then this wig is definitely for you. The synthetic fiber is nice, but it's not exactly like a very silky type of wig. Like at the bottom especially, like it's coarse and to tangle at the bottom, but the tangling is not like bad. It's not like outrageous. Just like with any other synthetic units, I would just like, to avoid headache, just carry a comb or a brush. Carry a brush in your bag, okay? Shipping with Ebony line, the shipping is said to be between 3 to 8 business days. I think I got mine within like 5 business days. I don't think it took up to 8 business days, but the shipping was fast. I would also be putting the link in the description box, so please make sure that you're checking that out as well. The first time I wore it, the curls were a little bit like tighter, so the more I comb it obviously and the more I brush it and go through the day, the curls continue to drop. So this is how the curls are looking now, but they were much tighter. Not like tight curls, but like they were more like, it was a little higher, and you know, now they have dropped. So I just wanted you guys to know that as well. I actually like them better this way, to be honest. I like the way this unit frames my face. This unit, to be honest, this unit is also a side part unit. You can wear it as a middle part. To be honest with you, I got away with wearing it as a middle part, so you can if you want to, but I do prefer how it looks on the side. I think it frames my face better. I should have showed you how it looked as a middle part, but I glued down this unit. It's also big head friendly. I have a big head, and this unit is perfect. The cap fits on very nice. It has extra lace when you wear it as a side part, and it kind of like goes over your ears. Well, for me, I just wanted you guys to know that as well. But the unit is gorgeous. But to me, it looks better obviously on the side. But you guys, let me know in the comment section if you're feeling this hair. This unit is a 10 out of 10 all across the board for me. Yeah, do I recommend this wig? Yes, I do. And if you don't have it, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and buy it because you will not be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.